going to his lessons and was told why, he wasn't fazed. When Nightmare Teacher was asked why his students were not going to his lessons, his response was something along the lines of, "They're just idiots that don't want to learn. No point trying to teach them." After another week of boycotting his lessons and nothing happening, the rest of the maths lessons started getting boycotted. This resulted in the other maths teachers asking the Nightmare Teacher to teach properly but were shrugged off, blaming the students again. After several more days, us students simply raided the Nightmare Teacher's classroom and moved chairs into other classes where we continued our education the best that we could. Then the Nightmare Teacher was assigned to patrol during break times. His entitlement and pure prejudice showed yet again. We had a fenced area which we called the tennis courts, but were basically a multi-purpose area for physics education. Well, if some students brought a ball so they could have a quick game of 5A-side football and the teacher saw that certain students were playing, then he'd kick them off the courts with threats of detention, while saying that they're stealing British sport. Or when students were lined up for the cafeteria he would move foreign descents to the back of the lines and refuse entry to every student until they moved. Then all of a sudden, at the end of one day, there was a crowd in the staff car park. The next morning, the gossip about the Nightmare Teacher is that every tire on his car was deflated. Not slashed, just that every tire let down. Must have taken him ages to pump them back up. However, this resulted in a report going around the school that the vandals will be caught and punished. However, how could they do that? Even though there were CCTV cameras watching the area, how can black and white video pick out certain students in a sea of 200 plus students in the exact same school uniform? Well, the Nightmare Teacher mainly accused foreign descents of doing that, but the student gossip quietly spread that it was actually the bullies that did it. None of the students were going to rat them out to the staff. Well, the teacher did